Hey guys, I'm Downed's back with another video on Granny related Escape Granny's House Part 2. I just got past that level. Really hard, took a while, but I passed it. And now we're on to this level, which has balls of yarn with lollipops inside them. What? Since when? Is this blood or something or paint? Since when does Granny have saws in her house? This is actual Granny's house. Just go check out that game. It's really fun. I don't remember ever seeing saws in Grandma's house. Avoid them at all costs, or we'll end up in two pieces. I'm glad that you escaped, Backstabber. I really am. Hey, just so y'all know, Backstabber is an awesome channel. Go subscribe to him. It's one of my favorite channels. Man, that was my favorite couch. More lava. Got couch. More captures. Lollipop. Oh, I could have eaten that. A cookie. And her donkey dentures. Like from last time. And what are these? I don't know what these are. They don't look nice. So I'm not gonna touch them. They don't look too harmless to touch. Man, looks like a Jerry will not be coming to school on Monday. Oh, poor Jerry. Poor Jerry. She cooks humans. Only boys though. There's only boys in here. Great. Yeah, poor Jerry. He's being baked into it. This view is too far away. I need to get a closer up view. Poor Jerry, and I'm just gonna call that guy Bob. Yeah, Bob. That's his name. You know what, Tom. Even if I can touch these, even if I didn't die, and even if I could touch those, I'm not going to because I don't trust anything really. Oh dang it. Like I said before, this is not my what is it called? Character. Yeah, these plants are stable. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And yes. Aha! This is cool. Well, at least Grandma's normal in one way. She likes to knit. Yes, look at that. She knitted her entire wall plus her floor. She has giant balls of yarn. And apparently the knitting that she uses kills you. Oh no. Don't tell me it's gonna be another one of those obbies that I play. Not on screen. Another one of those obbies that I play. About where we go into that person's mouth. It's really gross. It's really gross. And look at that belly button of hers and those magical floating cookies and that wart on her face. Look at that wart right there where my arrow is. Where that little yellow circle is. Don't worry, we'll pass it. Just give me a second. Oh, stop it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we can make it. Wait. Dang it. Great. Great. Just great. Why can't... Just so you know, Grandma is obsessed with lollipops. I've never seen this in her old house. More lollipops. Wow. More of these pins. I don't know. I'm just gonna call them lollipops because they're all different colors. And they're long. And they look good. Like lollipops. Okay, don't worry, I will pass it. Oh, why do you keep falling? Come on. I will pass it. Just give me a sec. Alright. Okay, let's do this. Jump. Good. Jump. Jump. Oh, okay. I will pass it. Backstabber, are you gonna come with it? How did I die? How did I die? Backstabber, are you even gonna come with us? Doesn't look like it. Stop dying! I will pass it, don't worry. I've done this before. Not on camera, though. So it's like my second video. Move, you stupid girl. Oh, why do you keep dying? I'm gonna change it to... No, not for this. For that lollipop pin part very well, but not for this. What? Okay. Wait, no. No, that won't work. Jump. Jump. Oh, why do you keep dying? Why? I just want to escape Grandma's house. I've done it before. Come on, you can do this. You can do this one, Donut. Did I say the intro? No, I did. Yes. I will pass it. Just give me a sec. Alright. Okay, don't you dare die. I swear, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Yes! Woohoo! Now we jump on to her. Yes! I will. I'm about to leave. Oh my god. Yes. What? That's my mom. I'm recording this on this school day. We're going into our mouth. See? Woo, 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 woo. Yep, she ate us. Wee, ow. Get up. Sheets. Besides the cookie and the humans, well, yes, the humans. Besides the cookie, besides the cookie, besides for the actual food, besides the cookie, I haven't seen any bite marks. I'm gonna do this. You. Yes, we made it. Just checkpoint. Grandma, where are we supposed to be at right now? Supposed to be going down. Yep. She has a very shiny inside. I'm not going to lie about that. There. And then we go up her spine. And then apparently through the spine comes the butt. In every obby. In every. It's really annoying. But Grandma, what? This one's really easy. Just do what I say. We had to get paper towels. I just took a shower. There we go. See? Get pooped out. Then we have to jump across these strange things. And look at that. Grandma is being arrested. Look at that. Oh, look at that wart and that belly button. Okay. Make sure to check out. Yep. And subscribe. And me. See you later. Bye.